DREAME cleanup here.
Let's celebrate. Forget the walls and stop the feet now. The fun and games and memories I love to share with my family. And everything is better when we get together. Everything is better when we're side by side.
After opening the package, I was surprised. The appearance is very beautiful. The color is excellent. The quality is very good. After using it, I like it. Every corner can be clean. It is very clean and meticulous. The noise is not loud. It will not affect my life and work at all. It completely avoids obstacles. It is simply a very easy-to-use product. It is super great. It is worth buying. I got from here at lowest rates by clicking the link in the bio.